Good morning, grade 9. This lesson is for week number 7. And we have learning task 1, A and B on page 29. Pagsamahin na natin yung letter A at saka yung B. But this one is only 1 to 5. So, square root of 2, wala na ito. This one is already in its simplest form. We cannot do anything for this square root of 2. So, sa square root of 8, yan, square root of 8, hahatiin natin siya. Ano mga panghati? Mga ganon. Kita nyo yun. So, for square root, kailangan yung isa, dito, dalawa siya, hiliwalayin na natin. Dito ay yung 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, so on and so forth. And I have also a cube root doon. So, ito yon. Ito yung hindi na pwede. Yung square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, hindi na sa pwede yung square root. So, yung 8, hatiin natin. Yung kalahati, nandun. Yung kalahati, wala. So, ito ay 4, and this one is 2. Kasi yung square root of 4, merong answer 2. Square root of 2, wala. So, ito, pag sinimplify natin, this square root of 4 is 2, and then, sulat din nyo yung turon. So, dalawang similar natin, square root of 2 and 2 square root of 2. Mag-add tayo. So, addition muna tayo. A na nga. We have square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 2. Oh, can we add them? Yes, because they are similar. Parang ito ay x at saka x. X plus 2x equals 3x. So ito, aadin natin yung numerical coefficient na ito. May 1 doon lagi. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. And then, kukopyahin lamang ang square root of 2. Para siyang x. Kinukopya lang. That is addition. Sa subtraction, dito na rin. Subtraction, subtract natin ito doon sa pangalawa. So, yung pangalawa, ano ba yung pangalawa natin? Is 2 square root of 2 minus itong nauna. Square root of 2. So, ito ay 2 minus 1, edi 1. So, huwag na isulat ng 1. Square root of 2 na lang. Pwedeng lagyan ng 1. Gusto nyo. C is multiplication. I-multiply natin siya. So, square root of 2 times square root of 8 is equal to 2 times 8 is square root of 16. And what is the square root of 16? 4. Because 4 times 4 is 16. Letter D. Ang gagawin natin, i-divide daw. Itong second term, i-divide natin ng first. Okay, so we have square root of 8 over square root of 2. Ginagawa dyan, pinagsasama. Ayan. 8 divided by 2. So, mangyayari is 8 divided by 2 is 4. And square root of 4 is 2. So, that is our number 1. Okay, number 2, we have cube root of 3 and cube root of 24. Cube root of 3, wala na. Nasa lowest term na siya. And then, ito, okay, dito tayo. Cube root of 24. Hindi na si square root. Isusulat na dapat yung 3, ha? Cube root. Is equal to, dalawa. Hatiin natin siya. Cube root and cube root. Hatiin ng 24. Dito, maku-cube root natin. Doon sa isa, hindi. O, tingin doon sa iba. Anong pwede? O, edi cube root of 8. Because cube root of 8 times cube root of 3 is cube root of 24. O, ayun o, kita yun. Cube root of 8, answer na 2. So, dito yung 8, maku-cube root natin. Dito yung 3 na hindi pwedeng ma-cube root. And then, ano ito? So, cube root of 8, palitan natin. Ayun, 2 ang answer doon. 2. And then, kopya lang ito. Huwag kalimutan yung 3. Cube root yan. 3. O, yan. O, adin na natin ito. Tsaka yun. So, letter A, ito na. Itong cube root of 3, i-add natin yung 2 cube root of 3. Are they like terms? Yes, cube root of 3, cube root of 3. Numerical coefficient, ito ay 2, ito ay 1. So, ma-add natin numerical coefficients. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Tapos, kukopyahin na lamang yung cube root of 3. Yon ang ating sum. B, subtraction naman tayo. Ito, ima-minus doon sa cube root of 24. Ito muna unahin natin. Cube root of 3 minus itong cube root of 3. So, ito, like term sila. So, 2 minus 1 is 1. So, answer na lang is cube root of 3. Okay, letter C, multiplication. So, kahit anong unahin natin, pwede. O, cube root of 3 na muna. So, yung gamitin na parenthesis, okay lang. 2 cube root of 3. Huwag niyo mo multiply ito dun sa loob. Wala siyang radical sign. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay. And this one, cube root of 3 times cube root of 3 is cube root of 9. Multiply natin yun. 3 times 3. So, ito ay 9. And then, we have cube root. Cube root of 9, wala na. Square root of 9, yes. Cube root, wala. Right, D. Define naman natin. Si 2 cube root of 3 sa cube root of 3. So, anong katulad? O, ay di 1 na siya. And then 2. So, ang matitira na lang is 2. That is the quotient. Okay, number 3. Square root of 45 and square root of 125. O, pareho na tayo mag-break nito. So, square root of 45, square root siya, dalawa. Square root of 125, simplify na rin, para yung may square root. 45, hanap doon, na meron dito, para maging 45. 9, okay, 9 and 5. 9 times 5, 45. Okay, so 125 is 25 times 5. Ang clue ninyo is yung dalawa rito na hindi pwedeng square root, hindi pwedeng cube root. Dapat parehas or equal. Yun lang ang clue doon. So, ito, square root of 9, tingnan doon, is 3. Wala nang ganon. Square root of 5. And then, ito, square root of 25 is 5. Kopya yung square root of 5. O, kita na yan. Like terms sila para ma-add at ma-subtract. A. Add muna tayo. So, yun. 3 square root of 5 plus ito. 5 square root of 5. 3 plus 5, 8. Kopya yung square root of 5. Siyang pitakang x. Subtraction. Okay. Ito muna. Ma-minus yung una. Minus yun. 3. Like terms, yes. 5 minus 3 is 2. Square root of 5. Yan ang kanyang difference. C, multiplication tayo. Unahin na natin yung unang 3 square root of 5 times 5. 3 times 5. Walang radical sa walang radical. So, you have 15 times square root of 5 times square root of 5 is 5. Square root of 5 to square root of 5, square root of 25, square root of 25 is 5. Ayun. Tapos ita-times na yun. 15 times 5, 5 times 5, 25, carry 2, so we have 75. Letter D, division. Okay, 5 square root of 5 over 3 square root of 5. Okay, square root of 5 over square root of 5, 1. 5 over 3 is 5 over 3, or in mixed fraction, it's 1 and 2/3. Okay, number 4, we have 5th root of 3 and 5th root of 96. So, 5th root of 3, okay, lowest term na. So, wala tayong magagawa dito. Dito, break natin 5th root and 5th root. Dito, may clue na tayo, 3. Tsak ito ay 3. O, i-divide lang nyo yung 96 ng 3. Makukuha nyo dito sa isa is 32. 5th root of 3, wala. Meron bang 5th root ng 32? Meron. 2. Paano nangyaring 2? O, multiply natin 5 beses yung 2. 2 times 2, 4. Times 2, 8. Times 2, 16. Times 2, 32. So, ito is 2 lang pag kinuha natin ang 5th root. So, ito kopya. Okay. 5 o 5th root of 3. So, yun yung 5th root of 96. Okay, A. Let's add ito. 5th root of 3 plus the 2 5th root of 3. Like terms ba sila? 5th root of 3, 5th root of 3. Yes. So, ano nga din natin? Yung 1 dito at saka yung 2 doon. So, ito ay 1 plus 2 is 3. And then, 5th root of 3, kukopyahin lang. Okay? B. O, subtraction tayo. Yung naunahin natin. 2 5th root of 3 minus yung nauna ito. 5th root of 3. Pwede bang mag-add tayo? Pwede bang mag-subtract? Yes, because they are like terms. So, 2 minus 1 is 1. So, matitira na lang is 1 5th root of 3. Right, C. Multiplication tayo. Ito. 5 and 3. Times ito. 2 5th root of 3 times natin yung 1 times 2 ay 2 pa rin. Okay, 5th root of 3 times 5th root of 3, so you have 3 times 3 is 9, so you have 5th root of 9. Hindi pwedeng 3. Kung square root, pwede. Alright, D. Division. O, divide ito. 2 5th root of 3 over ito. This one is 1. So, final answer, quotient is 2. Okay, number 5 is square root of 27 and square root of 75. So, let's have 2 square roots here. Ito rin sa baba. Unahin muna natin yung maliit. 27, tingin doon. 4, hindi mare. 9, yan. 9 and 3. Ito hindi pwede. Tsak, ito ganun din. Ito is 3. Square root of 3. Ito, 75 divided by 3 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5 square root of 3. Okay, let's add 3 square root of 3 plus 5 square root of 3. So the numerical coefficients 3 plus 5 is 8 square root of 3. Okay, letter B, subtract 5 square root of 3 minus yung 3 square root of 3. Like terms, yes, 5 minus 3 is 2 square root of 3. Letter C, times natin. 3 square root of 3 times 5 square root of 3 is equal to 3 times 5 is 15 times square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3 because that is square root of 9, 3. And then, ita-times na natin, walang radicals. So, 15 times 3 is 45. Letter D, division. 5 square root of 3 over 3 square root of 3 cancel. So we have 5 over 3 or 1 and 2/3 again.